You've been misinformed about volunteering in Europe. That whole idea of just showing up, helping out, and staying for months? Under immigration law, that's illegal. In Europe, unpaid work is still work. And without the right visa or government approved program, you can be denied entry, fined, or banned. But here's what almost nobody explains properly. There are legal ways to live in Europe through volunteering, but they are controlled, structured, and approved by governments. My name is Ademola Michael Williams for One Nation Treasures, a travel consultant legally registered in Sweden, where I reside. I am not affiliated with any embassy or Ministry of Foreign Affairs. European Union. Across the European Union, the official pathway is the European Solidarity Corps, run by the European Commission. This is not a visa category by itself. Legally, it is a government mobility program that leads to a national long-stay visa or residence permit for volunteering, depending on the European Union country hosting you. To be eligible, you must be between 18 and 30 years old and register on the official European Solidarity Corps platform. You then apply directly to projects hosted by European Union-approved organizations. The key legal requirement is selection. You must be formally accepted into a project because that acceptance generates an official placement agreement. That agreement is what you use to apply for immigration. The process is sequential and mandatory. You register on the European Union portal, apply to projects, get selected, receive a signed placement agreement, and then apply at the embassy of the host country for a long-stay visa or residence permit for volunteering under national immigration law. Without selection, there is no visa. France. In France, the exact visa is the long-stay visa volontariat, issued through France Visas. This visa covers programs like Volontariat Associatif and Volontariat de Solidarité Internationale, which are legally defined under French law. To qualify, the French government requires a signed contract with an approved organization before you apply. This is not optional. It proves that your activity is officially recognized. The eligibility is based on that contract, your ability to support yourself with the allowance provided, and your commitment to the approved mission. The application process starts online through France Visa, where you select volunteering and the long-stay visas, complete your file, and book a biometric appointment. After submission and approval, the visa is issued for 6 to 12 months and can extend up to 24 months, depending on the program, and it acts as a residence permit once validated in France. Germany. In Germany, the legal pathway is a national visa for voluntary service, leading to a residence permit for volunteering, regulated by the Federal Office for Family Affairs and Civil Society Functions. This applies to programs like FSJ and the Federal Volunteer Service. To be eligible, you must first be accepted by a recognized institution. For FSJ, applicants are usually under 27, while the Federal Volunteer Service allows broader participation. The legal requirement is a binding placement agreement, which confirms your role, duration, and conditions. The process is strict. You secure placement, receive the agreement, apply for a German national visa at the embassy, and after arrival, convert that visa into a residence permit for voluntary service at the local immigration office. The permit is tied directly to your volunteer program. Italy. The official immigration route is the National Visa for Voluntary Service, Tipo D, issued under the Italian Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation. To qualify, you must already have a formal hosting agreement with a recognized organization operating within an approved program. This agreement must detail your duties, duration, accommodation, and financial support, because the Italian government uses it to assess your application. The process begins at the Italian consulate. You submit your visa application with the agreement, supporting documents, and proof of program approval. Once granted, the visa allows entry, and after arrival, you apply for a residence permit for voluntary service, which matches the duration of your project. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom exact visa is a temporary work, charity worker visa, issued by the United Kingdom Home Office. This is the only legal pathway for long-term volunteering. To be eligible, you must be sponsored by a licensed United Kingdom charity. That sponsor must issue a certificate of sponsorship, which is a mandatory legal requirement. The process starts with securing that sponsorship. After that, you apply online through the United Kingdom government system, submit your documents, and attend biometrics if required. If approved, the visa allows you to stay for up to 12 months performing unpaid voluntary work. No sponsorship means no visa. The government does not allow independent volunteering. These are not loopholes. They are official immigration systems. If you follow the legal process exactly, you can live in Europe without a job offer. As a registered travel consultant, I base every recommendation on verified information from official government authorities, ensuring dependable and accurate travel guidance. I humbly advise you, do the same. Thank you for watching and God bless. Always remember that your greatest passport is knowledge. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next video.